well. The entire experience was great. And if I have to rank, spaces and places from 1 to 10, I would definitely give a 10. It's an experience that, which has many facets, right from designing till the final execution. And every stage, what was important was not only the execution, but also the people and the relationship that we have developed. So from that perspective also, the entire team has to be given credit that spaces and places have done a good job for me. So I'm really thankful to the entire team. Thank you.